Keyboard penyai distrik Ri Bhoi ya kasing thok ding kila lej ban Khang khyrdep ya kawe ke khyrdop lum khajna jong ke KHADC Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ha Umdihar ha kesurok National Highway 6 da ke bakdo ba ke jing penyen ya kini ke khyrdop kalong ke BBI bat ke bom syam layu jing menjur na ke sorkar. Keyboard distrik balasan ranlang da ki pulit kila syam ya kini ke sinjang hadin ke jing yo jing tep ba ke KHADC kala lum pisa arspa tingkah naman ki trok kitmar ki bayai lingba kani ke khyrdop. U Deputy Commissioner ke distrik U Abilash Baranwal ula ong kani ke khyrdop lum khajna ke badan hak surok NH6 ka dei ke bala penyeng da ke KHADC. Henry kat kum ki kendon jong ke sorkar omla setiaban penyeng khyrdop ha ki surok ba National Highway lani surok PWD ke jela klaim dayo ya ke jingbet ke babiang bat ya ka no objection certificate NOC na ki bor badai khmi. Kumtaru ula ong hadin bakilayo pediang ya kijing ujor bat hadin kijing mi kubor kila syemi kisinjam bandaj ban Khang dang no ya kani ka khyrdop lum khajna. Uni uhe ka distrik ula banjuru ba ka jing pediang ya ki jaka talasi ne ki jaka lum khajna klaim dayo jingbet ka dei ka jing pen kenya ki kendon jong ka sorkar bat ula mahamru bakin syem ya kani ka ju kasinjam persya ya kino kino ki jingtai ba klaim yo jingbet hagi surok pai ba.
It has come up in Umdihar on the national highway, and apparently the check gate belongs to KHADC. However, as per the government rules, no check gate of any department can come up over national highway or state PWD roads without adequate permission and NOC from the competent authority. So that's why when we received complaints and since there was a news report, we had to close it down.